everyone, this is me Jessa and welcome to my vlog. So for today's vlog, we are going to tackle about Module 3, Lesson 2 entitled Select and Use ICT Tools for Teaching and Learning. So what is ICT or Information Technology and Communication? ICT refers to various tools and devices or gadgets used in communicating, disseminating, creating, storing, and managing information. So why ICT integration in education? First, it allows effective collaboration. Collaborating and exchanging information is much more efficient and convenient through the use of ICT. Second, easy processing of information. With just a click, different kinds of information can be accessed more efficiently than browsing books. Third, it allows creativity. ICT offers various websites and platforms that help students discover their creativity. Fourth, it allows easy showing of resources. With just a click, you could get multiple resources. And lastly, it offers effective accessibility to resources. Effective because all the resources are posted with a fact, as that is their basis. And now let's start the topic. First is using mobile phone and the QR code. QR stands for Quick Response. A QR code is a code that was developed by Japanese corporation Denso in 1994. It allows reader to decode information at a high rate of speed. So how to make QR code? First step, be online. Step 2, search for a QR code generator and ensure that you read the information about the application. Step 3, once you have identified your free online QR code generator, you can now encode the text or the information that you want. Step 4, run it and save it as JPEG file. Now you have successfully created your own code, which you can now download. And for the last step, step 5, test the QR code using your QR code reader or scanner. Since QR code allows to decode information at a high rate of speed. Now, here's the 10 interesting ways to integrate QR codes in your teaching. First, you could create interactive and engaging content. You can enrich the content you teach in class by using QR codes that link to other readings and resources. Scavenger hunts. Create an interactive classroom activity such as the Scavengers Hunt by using QR codes that provide directions or instructions, resulting in better learning engagement. Enrichment. It also allows to share resources. Learners can use QR codes to share educational resources with each other. It also enhances classroom library. Create QR codes of students' brief write-ups about why they enjoy their book and put them right in or on the books in the class library. It could also use in classroom activities. It can be used giving instructions in class and pin them up inside the classroom instead of providing them with thick copies of printed materials giving instructions on how to do an activity. It also gathers students' feedback. You can create surveys, polls, and forms using Google Form and change them with students as QR codes, which can be easily scanned and accessed. QR code can provide help with homework, a detailed code which students can scan at home and use the information to help them comply with their assignment. Also, in research project, make students create QR codes linking other resources and web content to their research work. QR code also used to communicate with parents or partners. You can share information to parents on school events or activities in school. And QR code provide easy access to online content. Create QR codes with URLs for students to gain easy access to online resources. Now for the second part of the topic, using laptop and the infographics. So infographics is a visual representation or an image such as diagram, chart, or picture representing information or data. It is also an eye-catching and makes use of a clear layout, attractive colors and hosts, and caricatures that provide a cohesive presentation of the information. One tool that can be used in creating infographics is Canva. Using infographics to present survey data. Infographics can be highly useful in presenting statistical data such as from surveys, and also using infographics to simplify a complex concept. Simplifying a complex idea is the core purpose of using an infographics. Using infographics to explain how something functions. It can show the intricacy of how something complex works. It can reveal the mechanics behind how an object works. And also using infographics to compare, presenting information by highlighting similarities and differences through a visual parallel in an infographic can turn out more effective than sometimes expressing it in words. And lastly, using infographics to present interesting facts. It can transform that information into visual image that can attract and engage readers. Now here's the steps in making infographics. First things first, you need to be online. Step 2. Search for any infographics making websites or apps such as Canva, Engage, and many others. Step 3. Create or sign up an account if you don't have one to begin creating infographics. And the last step, step 4, procedure. Choose the most suitable template for your use from the library. You may use images from their file or upload your own picture. Make a cohesive layout containing correct and essential information. You can also choose a background and font style. You may change color of boxes and the text to suit your style and add stunning filters to add flair. Now save the image of the infographics and share the infographic you have created. Now for the third part of the topic is using iPad or tablet and the online bulletin board. In making online bulletin board, we can make use of Padlet. Steps on using Padlet. Step 1. Search for padlet.com. Step 2. Sign up or log in using any of your social media accounts. Step 3. If you want to make your own, click Make a Padlet. You can choose to start with a blank or pick a template. Start making posts by clicking the plus sign. Make your posts as creative as you can by clicking Modify and selecting your choice of color, font, theme, and many more. Now you can share your Padlet or online bulletin board to your friends. But if you want to join someone's bulletin board, follow the step 4. Click Join a Padlet. Enter in dialog box the URL of the Padlet you want to join and start posting on your friends or classmates' Padlet by clicking plus sign. We also have additional tools using your gadget. Just connect to the web and explore the following educational application tools. That's it for our vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.